students, today we are going to discuss chromosomes. Question 1. What is a chromosome? Answer. A chromosome is a thread-like structure composed of DNA and proteins found in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. It carries genetic information in the form of genes. Question 2. What is the structure of a chromosome? Answer. A chromosome consists of two sister chromatids which are joined together at a region called the centromere. Each chromatid contains a single DNA molecule wrapped around histone proteins. Question 3. What are the four nitrogenous bases found in DNA? Answer. The four nitrogenous bases found in DNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Question 4. What is the complementary base pairing in DNA? Answer. Adenine pairs with thymine, AT, and guanine pairs with cytosine, GC. Question 5. How does RNA differ from DNA in terms of nitrogenous bases? Answer. RNA contains adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil, whereas DNA contains thymine instead of uracil. Question 6. What is the composition of a nucleotide? Answer. A nucleotide consists of a nitrogenous base, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, or uracil, a pentose sugar, deoxyribose in DNA, ribose in RNA, and a phosphate group. Question 7. What are different types of chromosomes? Answer. A chromosome can be classified into autosomes, non-sex chromosomes, and sex chromosomes, X and Y chromosomes in humans. Additionally, chromosomes can vary in size, shape, and the position of a centromere. Question 8. What are lamp brush chromosomes? Answer. Lamp brush chromosomes are large, extended chromosomes found in the nuclei of growing oocytes, egg cells of amphibians, and some other organisms. They are characterized by extended loops of chromatin resembling a brush. Question 9. What are polytene chromosomes? Answer. Polytene chromosomes are oversized chromosomes found in certain tissues of insects, such as the salivary glands of Drosophila. They result from repeated rounds of DNA replication without cell division, leading to multiple copies of the chromosomes aligned side by side. Question 10. What is the maximum number of chromosomes in a human cell? Answer. The maximum number of chromosomes in a human cell is 46, which occurs in diploid cells, somatic cells, containing two sets of chromosomes. Question 11. What is the minimum number of chromosomes in human cell? The minimum number of chromosomes in human cell is 23, which occurs in haploid cells, gametes, containing one set of chromosomes. Question 12. What are chromosomes arranged during cell division? Chromosomes condense and become visible as distinct structures during cell division. They align at the cell's equator during metaphase before being pulled apart into daughter cells during anaphase. Question 13. What is the role of chromosomes in inheritance? Answer. Chromosomes contain genes which are units of heredity responsible for transmitting traits from parents to offspring. During reproduction, chromosomes are passed from parent to offspring, ensuring the continuity of genetic information. Question 14. What is chromosomal aberration? Answer. Chromosomal aberration refers to any abnormality in the structure or number of chromosomes. Example includes deletion, duplication, inversion, and translocation. Question 15. How do telomeres contribute to chromosomes stability? Answer. Telomeres are repetitive DNA sequences found at the ends of chromosomes. They protect the ends from degradation and fusion, contributing to chromosome stability and preventing the loss of genetic information during cell division. Question 16. What is a karyotype? Answer. A karyotype is a visual representation of the chromosomes in a cell arranged according to size, shape, and bending patterns. It is used to study chromosomal abnormalities and genetic disorder. Question 17. How do centromeres contribute to chromosome segregation? Answer. Centromeres are a specialized region of chromosomes where spindle fibers attach during cell division. They play a crucial role in ensuring the proper segregation of chromosomes into daughter cells during mitosis and meiosis. Question 80. What is the significance of the X and Y chromosomes in humans? Answer. The X and Y chromosomes determine an individual's sex. Females typically have two X chromosomes XX, while males have one X and one Y chromosome XY. The presence or absence of the Y chromosome determines male development. Question 19. How do chromosomes organize genetic information? Answer. Chromosomes organize genetic information into discrete units called genes, which are responsible for specific traits. Genes are located at a specific position on chromosomes uh, and are transmitted from parents to offspring during reproduction. Question 20. How does chromatin structure regulate gene expression? Answer. Chromatin, the complex of DNA and proteins found in chromosomes, can undergo modifications that influence gene expression. For example, histone modification and DNA methylation can alter chromatin structure, thereby regulating access to genes and controlling their expression.